Why is the moon so bright? Hello everyone, welcome to our channel where we explore the wonders of the universe. Today, we will be talking about something that has fascinated humans since time immemorial, the moon. Specifically, why is it so bright? As we all know, the moon is not a source of light in itself. It simply reflects the light of the sun. So, to understand why the moon is so bright, we need to know how sunlight behaves in space. When sunlight hits the moon, it gets scattered and reflected in all directions. Some of it bounces off the surface of the moon, some of it is absorbed, and some of it gets scattered in the atmosphere of the moon. This essentially makes every part of the moon visible to us here on Earth. But why does the moon appear brighter on some nights than others? This has to do with the moon's phase. The phase of the moon refers to how much of the illuminated side of the moon is visible from Earth. During a full moon, the entire illuminated side of the moon faces us, making it appear very bright in the night sky. During a new moon phase, the side of the moon facing us is in complete darkness, so no light is reflected towards us. Another factor that affects the brightness of the moon is its distance from Earth. The moon's orbit around Earth is not a perfect circle, which means that its distance from us varies throughout the month. When the moon is at its closest point to Earth, known as perigee, it appears up to 14% larger and 30% brighter than during its farthest point, known as apogee. One interesting observation about the brightness of the moon is that it appears to change color depending on its position in the sky. When the moon is low on the horizon, it often appears to have a yellow or orange tint. This is due to a phenomenon called atmospheric refraction, where the Earth's atmosphere bends light as it passes through it. This effect is stronger on the horizon, where the moon has to travel through more atmosphere before reaching our eyes. Now, let's talk about something that might surprise you. The moon is actually not that bright compared to other bodies in the solar system. For example, Venus is often referred to as the morning star or evening star because it is the brightest object in the sky after the sun and the moon. Jupiter, Saturn, and Mars are also significantly brighter than the moon. However, the moon is undoubtedly the brightest object in the night sky. Its brightness can even cause problems for astronomers trying to study faint objects in space. The glare from the moon can outshine faint stars and galaxies, making them difficult to observe. This is why many observatories schedule their observations during new moon phases, when the moon is not visible, and its light does not interfere with their measurements. In conclusion, the moon is so bright because of the way sunlight behaves in space. Its brightness is affected by its phase and distance from Earth, and it appears to change color due to atmospheric refraction. While the moon may not be the brightest object in the solar system, it is undoubtedly the brightest object in the night sky and can even interfere with astronomical observations. Thank you for joining and learning about the moon's brightness with us today. Stay tuned for more videos exploring the mysteries of the universe on our channel. Thanks for watching.